Hey, trading tribe. I'm back with a secret weapon that's about to change your game. Imagine a crystal ball for trading. Well, I found something pretty darn close. I'm talking about a new indicator combo on TradingView that's so fresh, it's still got that new indicator smell, sparkles, and the best part? It's free. That's right, no need to break the bank for premium tools when these gems are right at your fingertips. Now, I know what you're thinking, magical indicators? Sounds too good to be true. But trust me, I've tested this strategy personally, and it's been delivering laser-focused buy and sell signals like a boss. Whether you're into crypto, stocks, futures, or forex, this strategy can work for you. We're gonna focus on Bitcoin today, but the same principles apply across different markets. Ready to dive into the setup and see how these indicators work their magic? Grab your notepads, trading ninjas, because class is in session. Alright, let's meet our first magical ingredient, the ultimate buy and sell indicator by Sherlock MacGyver. It's like the Swiss Army knife of indicators, packed with features, but even beginners can use it like pros. This indicator is like having a personal trading GPS. It spots those prime buy and sell zones, tells you when the market's taking a breather, and even reveals those crazy buying and selling frenzies. It's got more customization options than a pizza menu, but don't worry, we'll keep it simple today. Hold on 1 second before we dive into customization. Let's address a question popping up in the chat. Where do we find good financial news and analysis? Well, we rely on a top website called Fastbull. This website offers one of the most accurate and detailed economic calendars, allowing users to monitor key economic events that can impact the market. So if you would like to benefit from 24/7 global financial news live streaming, make sure to check the link in the description. Here's a pro tip for best visibility. Head to your main settings, turn off those body borders and wick colors, and switch to a dark background. It's like putting on night vision goggles for your charts. Now, the secret sauce of this indicator is the RSI, that's Relative Strength Index for those new to the game, combined with Bollinger Bands. It's like Batman and Robin, but for trading signals. And here's where it gets exciting. This indicator drops two types of signals. It's like deciphering secret codes to unlock trading opportunities. As you can see, the indicator has produced a few signals that would have resulted in losses if we had followed them. Let's customize the indicator to improve its accuracy. We'll go into the settings and follow the steps together. Alright, let's decode those signals. First up, we have watch signals. Think of them as the indicator whispering, hey, pay attention, something might be brewing here. These are like little spies that alert us when the price or RSI crosses certain Bollinger Band boundaries. Buy watch signals are dressed in orange, like those traffic cones that say, hey, potential buy zone ahead. And sell watch signals? They're rocking a bright purple, like a warning sign that says, whoa, possible sell-off coming. But watch signals are just the first clue. To trigger actual buy or sell signals, we usually need to see a watch signal first. It's like getting a heads up before the main event. Now, the indicator has a cool feature called a look-back period for watch signals. It's like setting an expiration date on those clues. After a certain number of candles pass, they fade away, keeping our chart clean and focused on the freshest signals. Now, you can opt to paint the background green during buy states and red during sell states, but personally, I prefer a clean chart. It's like keeping my trading workspace zen and focused. But here's the real secret sauce. This indicator isn't designed to fly solo. It's like having one half of a dynamic duo. That's why we're bringing in a second indicator to complete the puzzle and make sure we're getting those laser-focused signals. It's time to meet the Fibonacci Bollinger Volume Weighted Deviation Indicator by T. Karolak. Say that 5 times fast. This indicator is like a wizard who blends Fibonacci magic with classic Bollinger Bands and sprinkles in some volume analysis for good measure. It's like getting a triple shot of trading insights. Alright, here's the key to making these two indicators dance in harmony. We'll need to tweak a few settings in the first indicator to align it with our second powerhouse. First, let's hit the reset button on this bad boy. Then, we'll head over to the style type and hide these 4 options. They're like extra ingredients that might clash with our second indicator's flavor, so we're gonna keep it simple and clean. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty of opening trades. We'll start with the long side. Here are the 2 key conditions we want to see. 1. The Fibonacci Bollinger Volume Weighted Deviation Indicator breaks above the upper band, flashing that high buying interest signal. 2. Our trusty ultimate buy and sell indicator gives us a buy signal at the same time. It's like getting a double confirmation from two expert traders. For our stop loss, we'll place it below the lower band to protect our downside. And for profit targets, we'll set a fixed goal. But here's a pro tip: when you get a minor sell alert from the ultimate indicator, close a portion of your position and move the stop loss to break even. It's like taking some profits off the table and securing your position. Remember, this is just a taste of what you can do with this strategy. Feel free to experiment and tweak the rules based on your trading style and the markets you're exploring. The key is to find what works best for you and stay disciplined in your approach. Now, let's flip the script and talk about short trades. That means betting on a price drop. Our magic combo works for those too. Here are the 2 rules to spot a potential short setup. 1. The Fibonacci Bollinger volume weighted deviation indicator dives below the lower band, like a bear breaking through a trapdoor. It signals that selling pressure is building up. 2. The ultimate buy and sell indicator, our trusty sidekick, gives us a clear sell signal. It's like getting a double thumbs down from 2 expert critics. If those 2 conditions align, it's time to unleash the inner bear and confidently sell that security. For our stop loss, we'll place it above the upper Bollinger Band to limit our losses if the market surprises us with a sudden upswing. And for profit targets, we'll aim for a fixed goal. Here's a pro tip: I recommend targeting at least twice the amount you're risking. It's like going for a double cheeseburger instead of a single, more reward for your risk appetite. And just like with long trades, don't forget to secure some profits along the way. When you get a minor sell alert from the ultimate indicator, close a portion of your position. It's like pocketing some cash while you ride the downtrend. Now, before you go all ninja on the markets, here's a super important heads up. When you're using this strategy on those speedy 1-minute or 5-minute time frames, your stop losses will be super tight, like trying to squeeze a sumo wrestler into skinny jeans. And that means those pesky spreads, the difference between buy and sell prices, can seriously mess with your trades. If your broker's spreads are wider than the Grand Canyon, your stop losses might get triggered even when the price barely moves. It's like getting bumped off the dance floor before the party even starts. That's why I'm always rocking with IC markets. They're like the VIP lounge of brokers, offering 0 spreads. It's like having the dance floor all to yourself, with no one to bump into. You can execute pinpoint trades without those pesky spreads getting in the way. Check out the link in the description to join them and start trading like a pro. It's time to ditch those high spread brokers and get the VIP treatment. But wait, there's more. If you're hungry for even more trading strategies, make sure to check out the next video on your screen. It's packed with even more secrets to unlock your trading potential. That's it for today, Trading Tribe. Remember, stay curious, keep learning, and always trade with discipline. The markets are waiting for you to make your mark. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.